So, as you were just seeing from the intro, I had a package arrive. I've come all the way from Croatia, and I've bought some second-hand alloy wheels off of an EV forum. And yeah, so I got these wheels for the Twizy, so they're the official Renault Twizy wheels. But I decided to pick them up second-hand in the hope that I could save some money. So I knew one of these wheels had a slight bit of damage on, but as you can see from the beginning, that all those wheels weren't together, and somehow they've basically been damaged in transit. So not sure how this video is going to play out, because hopefully the end of this video will be having nice alloy wheels fitted on the Twizy to hopefully improve the look of it a little bit. Let me show you the wheels and a closer look at what I've got. Okay, so this one wheel here, you can see there's some yellow paint on it. All of the wheels haven't been cleaned, so I don't know what damage there may be on the other side. Everything looks okay. There's just a little bit of scuffing on here, but here you can see some damage on here, and a bit of slight curbing there. This one is the wheel that I knew had some damage on it. So it looks a little bit worse in real life than it did in the pictures. You can see some bit of curbing here as well. Also some damage to this tyre, so I need to see if that's okay. This is the one that got the main damage in transit, so you can see all here it's been damaged, and I think it's where the back of the other wheel must have slid off and knocked it somehow, because it does slightly protrude. And then this one is probably the best wheel, that's just got scuffing from, I guess, general wear and tear, I guess. So I've contacted an alloy wheel repair place that's been recommended. They've said it's £122 including VAT per wheel to be repaired, and that's because they are diamond cut. So I had diamond cut on the BMW as well. They're basically a pain. I wouldn't recommend having those type of wheel finish. So what I'm doing now is waiting to see if the guy in the forum can get any money from the insurance company due to damage during transit, and then I'll see about getting them repaired. So £122 is nearly the price of a brand new one from Renault, so need to think about what I'm going to do. The other thing I have been thinking about, and I was thinking about this before I bought these wheels, like I said, because I have the diamond cuts already, is actually having them just a single colour overall, like a traditional alloy wheel, so that you don't have this problem with the diamond cut. Because what can also happen with the diamond cuts is over time they oxidise and they go white anyway, so they'd be a lot more durable and cheaper to repair in the future if they were just like a standard alloy. So in this little segment of the video here, hopefully we come back as this story continues. So the saga with these wheels continues. So as I mentioned, they weren't even cleaned, so I thought I'd give them a clean to really see exactly how much damage there is, and it's not good. There's more damage. So I guess someone's had a good bit of fun trying to get the tyre off there at some point. I don't quite know how you damage the back bit there, so frustrating experience so far, especially because the guy kind of said to me that these were in kind of as new condition and originally, and it's kind of continued to slide down from there. So the saga continues. Let's hope that the next segment we come to is a bit more rosy. Okay, so another update in terms of these wheels. So unfortunately the insurance claim was denied, but myself and the seller came to a partial refund agreement, which I'm happy with. Obviously the cost to have these refurbished is still more than the value of the wheels, pretty much. So not quite sure what to do, but what I've decided is we'll have a little go at DIY. So I've got a Dremel already. I bought a series of polishing heads and grinding heads, and I'm gonna basically have a go and see if I can make them look any better at all, because I figured worst case I'm gonna have to pay to have them refurbished, or they're gonna go in the bin anyway, right? So see what I can do. I'm not gonna make, I mean, I can make things worse, of course, but any worse isn't gonna increase the cost of refurbishment. So what I think I'm gonna try first is the bit that you can't see normally, which is this really bad mark on the back. I might have to deflate the tyre to try and get around the back of that, so I might do that now. Yeah, see if we can make it look better or not. Let's have a little go, see if the Dremel's going to do the job or not. And this damn light will keep on turning on and off because of the motion sensors. Okay, let's see if this is a good laugh or not. Okay, so I'm actually really happy with how this has come out. So, I'm not sure how well it came across before. Let's see if I can get it in the light here. But this was all kind of jaggedy, and now it's really smooth. I was a bit worried that it damaged the tyre, but now you can see with my eyes when the light doesn't keep on turning off. That it actually looks okay. So I'm a little bit concerned that there may be some slight lack of trueness in the wheel now, so I need to get it balanced, but I think I popped some paint on there or something, and I think it's going to look a lot better. So I'm happy that I was able to test out the tooling on the back of the wheel, and seems to be okay. So cool, let's see if I can find some paint around here and see if I can just tidy that up. Okay, so I set that one wheel off to the side. I found some black Halfords touch-up paint I had, like a touch-up stick for a car, so it's already got lacquer and everything, so that's kind of ideal. So waiting to see how that dries. It's already pretty late, it's nearly midnight, so probably check that out in the morning.
Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.